Number 1. Sharp Navigator Upright Vacuum for Carpet and Hard Floor. So we can see the rating, that is I think is a much better rating, 4.3 with more than 3000 customer reviews and 600 answered questions. Press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard to reach areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter. It traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Powerful and lightweight, portable and versatile at only 12.5 pounds. Brush roll shutoff, deep carpet and gentle bare floor cleaning. Swivel steering, excellent control for maneuvering around furniture. The product comes with white pet upholstery tool, does not have pet. Number 2. Sharp Navigator Lift Away Deluxe NV360 Upright Vacuum Blue. The rating is 4.4 out of 5 stars with 1700 customer reviews and more than 400 answered questions. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. The full unit weighs only 12.5 pounds and canister alone is 7.5 pounds. Swivel steering, excellent control for maneuvering around the furniture. Dust cup capacity is 1.2 dry quarts. Large capacity, easy to empty dust cup. Extend cleaning without interruption. Included pet power brush, dusting brush and 5.5-inch crevice tool. Number 3. Sharp Navigator Deluxe Upright Corded Bagless Vacuum for Carpet and Hard Floor. We see the rating 4.2 out of 5 stars with more than 2600 customer reviews and more than 400 answered questions. This is very powerful and lightweight vacuum cleaner, portable and versatile at only 15 pounds. Never loses suction, powerful cleaning from start to finish, large capacity, easy to empty dust cup, extended cleaning without interruption, brush tool shutoff, deep carpet and gentle bare for floor cleaning, dusting brush and crevice tool included, accessories for versatile cleaning. Number 4. Sharp DuoClean Upright Vacuum for Carpet and Hard Floor. As we can see the rating is 4.4 out of 5 stars with 160 customer reviews and 98 answered questions. This vacuum cleaner is a very compact size lift with DuoClean technology. DuoClean technology features a pistol brush to deep clean carpets and an additional soft brush roll to pull in larger particles and directly engages floors for a polished look. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Brush roll garage for easy brush roll access. Swivel steering with LED headlights for excellent visibility and control. Number 5. Sharp Apex Upright Vacuum with DuoClean for carpet and hard floor cleaning. As we can see the rating is 4.2 out of 5 star with 156 customer reviews and 163 answered questions. Shark's ultimate cleaning experience, featuring Shark DuoClean, powered lift away and zero-M technologies. DuoClean technology have a dual brush roll system, deep cleans carpets and directly engages floors for a polished look. Powered lift away, the canister detaches to extend the reach of the cleaner head, including under furniture. The vacuum that deep cleans now cleans itself. The zero-M self-cleaning brush roll delivers non-stop hair removal, advanced anti-allergen complete seal technology, plus HEPA filter. Number 6. Sharp Navigator Upright Vacuum with Lift Away. Rating is 4.3 out of 5 stars with 111 customer reviews and 74 answered questions. The next generation Shark Navigator Upright Vacuum includes the zero-M self-cleaning brush roll to deliver non-stop hair removal. Its lightweight design and lift-away technology make it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology traps dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas. And the number 7. Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner DuoClean technology for carpet and hardwood floors. If we see the ratings, and the rating is 4.3 out of 5 stars with 29 customer reviews and 10 answered questions. Shark's compact power lift away upright vacuum features a detachable canister for portable cleaning, and it's the first upright vacuum cleaner from Shark with DuoClean technology. This vacuum also includes LED headlights, advanced swivel steering, anti-allergen complete seal technology, and HEPA filter, and also fingertips controls.